Welcome to the Cot-Out Workshop. Today's video we've got a vintage oak table, a refectory table that was painted and quite dark in a sort of 1950s style. It was a wedding present to the current owner's parents, and she remembers doing schoolwork, sitting at the table, and then later studying for exams with her now husband, and so it has a lot of sentimental value. She's donating it to a local charity, New Ark, and it's going to go into their new shop in Ellen, a town in Aberdeenshire. And she's asked me to strip it down and make it as light as possible. So in a lot of the videos that I do, we're always worried about patina, protecting the heritage, but this is different. This is a solid oak table that had been very darkly stained, quite badly scratched, and the request was to take all of that off and reveal the natural beauty of the wood underneath. It's not an antique, it's from probably the 1950s, but it's vintage. It's a lovely piece, a lovely table, and hopefully in its new home will help sell lots of products that are going to be displayed on top of it, and set them off to the best effect to make money for the charity. So quite a quick video. I'm going to show you the sanding, I'm going to show you the application of a hard wax oil, and then I've actually put a couple of layers on of Gilboy's beeswax. So finished. I'm just about to pack it up and take it to the shop and show it to the owner. So hopefully we'll video a bit of that as well. Hope you enjoy. See you next time. Okay, so we can see a few scratch marks, a bigger worn piece here which tells us what the colour of the wood is underneath. A few classic ring marks. Some quite deep scratches on the side. Some quite big scratches from where it's been transported. The task is to sand this and keep it as light as possible. that's the first batch of sanding. I'm now going to get a smaller sander to get in to some of the corners and curves. That's looking really good. So this is 400 grit, and just taking off the light, any nibs. I'm going to use some Gilboy's Pure Gold, light oak, and some 4/0 wool.